It was movement, it was music, it was art.
我覺得好難得有咁好嘅平台，一晚係睇到咁多嘢，所以我好 enjoy，好投入，大家都有份玩。
一個做戲曲嘅場地變成一個 cabaret 咧，有佢異曲同工之妙，一邊睇戲一邊有酒飲。
Beautiful to have some representation for some art forms that are not very visible in Hong Kong.
睇到好多唔同嘅文化啦，覺得好感動同埋覺得好刺激咯。
呢個 vibe 喺香港好少睇到。
演員同我溝通或者表演者同我溝通嘅時候，我會覺得好 close 啊，咁我好中意呢一種咁 close 同埋咁 chill 嘅感覺。
西九卡巴萊節
5月30至到6月7號，
你哋唔係唔買飛去睇啊？